How to add captions on NanoBanana.ai. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of adding caption on NanoBanana.ai. So let's get it started. So first things first, what you have to do is open up your phone and open your preferred browser. Here I already use the Chrome and I'm already inside it. Once you're inside your browser, what you have to do is tap on the search bar and tap NanoBanana.ai and head over to official website, and this is your official website of the NanoBanana.ai, so don't get confused about the fake ones. So once you're on this site, you will see a main interface like this. Make sure you have logged into your account. Now scroll down a little and look for the AI editor section. So this is the editor section, and just below it you will see two options: image to image and text to image. So you can use either of the one, but for this demo let's select image to image, and it's already selected. And once you are done choosing image to image, simply scroll down and there you can see an option for add image. Tap on it and it will open up your gallery like this. Now just add the image where you want to add the caption. For example, I want to add a caption on this photo right over here. Once I've selected it, just tap on done and it's uploading. Now on the main prompt section, just tap on it, and in the section type your prompt, explain what caption you want to add and even where you liked it to be placed. For example, you can specify if you want the text at the top, bottom or the center. Let's say like this, and after you are done writing the prompt, simply tap on generate now, which is right over here. Now the NanoBanana.ai will process your request and generate the image with the caption, which you will see in the output gallery. I'm using the free version, so I don't have sufficient credits to show you the results, but I'll be showing where you will be seeing the results. So this is the portion where you will be seeing the output of the images. And that's it. That's how you can easily add caption on NanoBanana.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up or the like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.